What's up, bike fam? So how's the new gravel bike? I don't know, because I broke it. Stick around, I'll show you how to fix it, what went wrong, and how to upgrade it so hopefully it doesn't happen again.
Quack, quack.
So while I was getting this thing adjusted, seat, handlebars and stuff, my foot got caught in this awesome pedal and tipped the bike over, broke the derailleur hanger. And I haven't broken one that I can remember, but I've bent them before. And in talking with guys on Facebook, talked to guys at GT, and more than one person told me that this was a better part. So I'll put a link to this down in the bottom. Wings West, I believe, is Wheels Manufacturing. Anyway, I'll put a link down there. These are kind of expensive. I'm used to a derailleur hanger being like, you know, 10 bucks, $8. This was like 40 bucks. Came the next day, so, you know, there's that. But the factory style one was, I think, about 30 bucks, and I wasn't going to get it for over a week, so I was buying this one either way. Anyways, we're going to pull the wheel off, get this on. I've got a couple upgrades. So I picked up some Crankbrothers Stamp 1 pedals. I couldn't decide which size to go for. I've got a big foot. I'm going to use this one, but it sure just looked big sitting next to the other pedals. But I've sort of stood on it a little bit. It feels good, so I think I'm going to dig it. This should help me out a little bit. I'm not used to clipping in. The thing that does interest me is the idea of the bike being more attached. I could see that being pretty awesome, but at the same time being sort of the major drawback. So until I'm more accustomed to everything going on up here, we're going to ride flats. So you can see they've got a chart here on the back. They suggest small up into size 10 American and European 43.5. I'm a 13, so I'm well into this area, but I just haven't had quite such a big pedal before. They look pretty nice. So I'll tell you what, these are a lot nicer out of the package, and they were nice in the package. But yeah, these are definitely even nicer once they're out of the package. These are light. These are really light. They are attractive, so I'm pretty excited. A little bit of grease on the threads. Well, I'll tell you what, these sure look nice. it's broken. So after you take the through axle and the wheel off, this piece is held in from the back with a teeny tiny little screw. So take that out and then put it right back together. Pretty straightforward. And just the screw is beefier. And I'm not sure how this is manufactured, but it seems like it's done much better. That is not even the same size screw head. All fixed. Not bad. Okay, additional upgrades we're doing today are a couple of water bottle cages here. These are Corki. I use them on, got them on the mountain bikes. Nothing too special, but they work well. And actually, on those two bikes, they were the only ones I could get in the exact accent color, which was kind of cool. Speed and cadence sensor. I like to link my bikes with my Apple Health, Apple Fitness stuff. This works. They're, I want to say, around 20 bucks. I'll put a link at the bottom for those. I've got the Bone Bike Tie Pro 4. I bought this before for my mountain bike, and the stem, I wasn't thinking about it, was too short. Seemed nice, so I think it'll work out good on this bike. And I've got a MagicShine mount for my light. It's hot here. I'm going to be doing a lot of writing probably at night, and this is going to be helpful. And I've got some decals from namedecals.com. These guys are great. They're really pretty cheap, and they look spiffy. Wow. I've got these on a few bikes, and that is definitely the easiest I've ever gotten that guy on. So not too bad. And same thing on the crank. Pop this guy open, take out the little battery blocker, put it back together. Blue is for cadence. So apparently that's the mode I've got it in. Put this little pad on the back. You can see the difference. This one goes on your wheel. Put the pad on there, take one of these rubber bands, just wrap it around the back of the crank, and nice and thin. I like those. Okay, when you put these on, I find you want to make sure this front adhesive is really on the sticker. So you can kind of rub it on there really well. And these are really nice and clear, so anything that's on the bike now is going to be visible through the sticker. I think I'm going to put it right there. And see if it starts to peel up and doesn't bring the sticker. That usually does the trick. Right. These are awesome. I think this needs to leave my life. It's just hideous. And it looks like I can, ha! That's cool. Okay, well, I'm done fixing and upgrading the bike. I think I can actually start riding it. So the next video you guys should see, I'll be on the bike. And we'll give it a test drive and I'll tell you what I think. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.